where the untamed beauty of the African savanna meets the warmth and vibrancy of Tanzanian culture. Nestled in East Africa, hi, I'm Abhi and welcome to World to Digitally with Dear Challengers. Embark on an unforgettable adventure with Tanzania, which boasts a dramatic and diverse landscape, from the snow-capped peak of Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's highest point, to the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean. Its 31 regions, each with its unique charm, showcase the incredible tapestry that is Tanzania. Tanzania, with a population exceeding 63 million, is a vibrant nation where over 130 languages flourish. Swahili, the national language, serves as a bridge between diverse ethnicities. From the rhythmic beats of Tanzanian drumming to the captivating storytelling traditions of the Maasai people, Tanzanian culture is deeply rooted in a rich heritage. Islam and Christianity coexist peacefully, shaping societal norms alongside vibrant indigenous beliefs. Dar es Salaam, the bustling commercial hub, pulsates with a cosmopolitan energy, while Dodoma, the official capital, offers a glimpse into Tanzania's administrative heart. The majestic sight of Mount Kilimanjaro, with its snow-capped peak, leaves onlookers in awe. The national flag, emblazoned with green, yellow, and black stripes, symbolize hope, prosperity, and the rich fertile land of the nation. Tanzania boasts a strong economy fueled by tourism, agriculture, and mining. The vast savannas of the Serengeti National Park, teeming with wildlife during the Great Migration, are a global icon. Tanzania's fertile lands nurture bountiful coffee plantations, a major export. The climate varies across the country, from the scorching heat of the savannas to the cool mountain air and balmy tropical coasts. From the ancient civilizations that once flourished to the arrival of European explorers and eventual independence, Tanzania's history is a captivating saga. Today, a democratic republic, Tanzania strives for stability and development. Investing in infrastructure development, particularly in transportation networks and renewable energy, is crucial for unlocking the nation's full potential. Initiatives in education and healthcare aim to empower Tanzanians and build a brighter future. From the breathtaking landscapes of the Ngorongoro crater, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, to the captivating cultural experiences in Zanzibar, Tanzania offers a wealth of experiences waiting to be explored. The country is actively working to develop sustainable tourism practices, preserving its natural beauty for future generations. Tanzania plays a vital role in the East African community, fostering regional cooperation and promoting conservation efforts. The world admires Tanzania's diverse wildlife, its rich cultural heritage, and its thriving art scene that blends tradition with contemporary influences. As we conclude our journey through Tanzania, we hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for its breathtaking scenery, captivating cultural tapestry, and the vibrant spirit of its people. Join us next time as we continue to uncover the wonders of our world. Thank you for watching Tanzania Uncovered. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, stay curious about Kenya. Thank you.